This is why you need to listen to Put 'Em in the Fridge by Peso Pluma and Cardi B. You won't believe the connections they got. All right, folks, let's talk about Peso Pluma and Cardi B's new banger, Put 'Em in the Fridge. Not a cooking show, but a track off Pluma's album, Exodo. These two are mixing languages like it's a hip-hop smoothie. Pluma drops some English in his raps, and Cardi B, she's spitting in Spanglish, showing off her bilingual swag. Cardi's verse is fire, folks. She's got the narcos sniffing around and the moms asking for autographs. Yeah, you heard that right. But wait, it gets better. Pluma wraps it up with a killer line. I said the word and they'll put you on the fucking fridge. That's some serious fridge talk. So if you haven't yet, go check out Put 'Em in the Fridge. It's a wild ride with big connections and even bigger beats. Peace out, music fans.